Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete recording from your Smule account. Now if you want to delete recording of your Smule account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on a device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Smule, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the home page itself. Now to delete the recording on Smule, you just need to open the Smule app and navigate to the profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you will see the various options like profile stats, edit profile, channel, invite, playlist, about, and all of it. And from here you just need to click on the option of playlist or channels, and here on the playlist you will see the option of favorites and 0 recordings in this. So currently I have not recorded anything and you won't be able to see any recording on my screen. So if you have recorded anything, you'll find it under the channel section. So you just need to locate the recording you wish to delete, and you just need to tap on it, and after tapping on it you just need to click on the option of 3 dots which is at the very upper right hand corner, and from there you just need to click on the option of delete and confirm your choice. So that's it. By doing all of it, you will be able to delete the recording of your Smule account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.